This week I helped Mitch and Mark on their stairwell. So for the stairwell, early on Mitch and Mark knew that they wanted to do something really impressive and really unique, and they wanted light to be a main feature of that. We went looking at different images, looked at some of the work that we'd done here in South Melbourne, and we decided to choose the disc wall light for its simplicity, but we decided to stack them and group them kind of in works of art, I guess, that led up the stairs on every wall all the way through the 3 flights. And the end effect was really impressive. It did a good job of lighting the stairs, kind of like a 3-story artwork that spiraled through the whole house. We used the disc light because, for one, it has a really nice quality of light, a really nice vertical light which is perfect for a stairwell, but also it's nice and simple. For a creative application when you're stacking it and grouping it is perfect. For more complex wall light, that would be more difficult, I think, to look cohesive. If you've seen Mitch and Mark's creative installations and you want to try something like that at home, or you've got some crazy ideas that have come into your head, I think the best thing to do is come see one of the lighting designers at Beacon Lighting. We know our product really well, always looking for a good challenge, and we love to see how things look in different arrangements and what we can do to push the design boundaries.